Just had a call from a real estate agent. They've asked me to go have a look at a pool that's gone green, so let's check it out. This pool had been covered over winter, and as you can see, it's gone green. Let's get the pool cleaner out of the pool. Scoop any debris from the surface or bottom of the pool, and then brush any algae off the walls, floor and stairs. Key thing, if you're shocking and flocking, you always need to brush it off before you kill it off. So there's always a reason why a pool goes green. I've checked and it seems like the equipment's working, so let's test the water and see what the chemical levels are like. Okay, so as I suspected, there's no chlorine in the pool, and the reason there's no chlorine in the pool is because the salt level's very low. I'm going to shock it with some liquid pool chlorine, also add some buffer so I can maintain the pH that I want for the floc I'm using. Add some copper-based algicide to kill off the algae, and then sprinkle on some floc from a watering can. Leave the equipment off for a few days so it all settles to the bottom, and then come back to vacuum to waste. That's got all the fine debris out of the pool. Because it had been green for a while, we want to make sure we clean the filter by backwashing it. You can see the water's pretty dirty, and then give it a rinse. Now to test the water for the last time and check that the chemical balance is right. Add a clarifying tablet to give it a sparkle, some buffer to bring up the total alkalinity, and a couple of days of salt for those that like ASMR. Brush it in and give the surfaces a final brush. Left it for a few days to filter, so let's check it out. Unfortunately, the lighting's not been very good in this video because the pool's in shadow all day, but as you can see, it's pretty clear. But wait, before you go, here's a few more videos that you might like. If you like ASMR, green pool transformations, or other helpful hints and tips to look after your pool, have a look at our other videos. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share our video with friends and family. Once again, thanks for watching Pool Crew AU. See you next time.